Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix login process failed and failed to reset the client error on Paragon, the Overprime on Windows PC. Method 1. Verify files. For player on Epic Games Launcher, go to Library. Right-click on Paragon, the Overprime, then pick Manage. Click Verify. For player on Steam, go to Library. Right-click on Paragon, the Overprime, then pick Properties. Click Local Files. Click Verify integrity of game files. Once done, relaunch Paragon, the Overprime, and see if problem is fixed. Method 2. Check server status and internet connection. Visit the official Paragon, the Overprime Twitter page and see if there are any announcements about server issues. Besides, you should also join the Paragon, the Overprime group on Discord to stay up to date with the latest game news. If the investigation does not detect any server problems occurring, then make sure your internet connection speed is strong and stable. To do that, please sit near a hotspot if you are connecting using Wi-Fi. Stop all downloads on your computer and other devices. Method 3. Disable or uninstall third-party antivirus software. Antivirus and firewall software play an important role in computer security. However, these applications may prevent games from running, installing, or patching correctly. Disable or temporarily uninstalling your security software can help resolve these issues. Method 4. Disable IPv6 and using Google DNS. Press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Now, uncheck Internet Protocol version 6 (TCP, IPv6).
Try launching Paragon,
the Overprime, and see if this helps. If not working, go back to the previous step, then double left-click Internet Protocol version 4 (TCP, IPv4). Select Use the following DNS server addresses option, then type 8888 and 8844. Now, tick on Validate Settings upon exit. Click OK. Click OK. Once done, launching Paragon, the Overprime, and see if this helps. Method 5. Run Troubleshoot internet connection. Go to Settings. On the System menu, scroll down, then pick Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Now, navigate to Internet Connections, then click on Run and follow the instructions to fix the problem. Once done, relaunching Paragon, the Overprime, and see if problem is fixed. If still not working, then reset network settings. To do that, open Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Advanced Network Settings. Click on Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. A small window will ask if you are sure if you want to reset all the network settings. Select Yes. After a few minutes, Windows 11 will reboot and all your network adapters will be reset to their factory settings. Method 6. Power Cycle Router. Turn off your router, then unplug power cable. Wait from 1 to 3 minutes. After that, replug power cable and turn on your router. After the router restart is done, relaunching Paragon, the Overprime, see if this helps. If not working, then try on another network such as mobile data, public Wi-Fi, VPN, neighbor's Wi-Fi. Finally, uninstall and reinstall the game if none of these methods is working.